Hey, Mark here from Jotform. In this video, I'll show you how to set start and end dates for your appointment form, so bookings are only allowed within a specific time range. Form elements, drag and drop the appointment element onto your form. Click the gear icon on the appointment field to open its properties. Go to the Limits tab inside Appointment Properties. Under Start and End Date, select the beginning date for when appointments should become available. Then choose the end date to define when bookings should close. Your form will now only allow appointment selections between these two dates. This is ideal for seasonal services, limited campaigns, or scheduled offerings. Preview your form to see how only the selected date range is available to users. And that's it. Your appointment availability is now fully controlled within your chosen time frame. Thanks for watching. Explore more Jotform appointment features, and we'll see you in the next video.